Hi guys, this is a delicious creamy crunchy grape salad, perfect for any potlucks, barbecues, or any kind of outings. If you want to see how I made this, keep watching. Hi guys, here's the ingredients for creamy grape salad with a crunchy topping. Now this recipe traditionally calls for 4 pounds of grapes, 2 pounds of green and 2 pounds of red, and a 9 by 13. I'm using an 8 by 8. I've already washed and picked them. And technically, I looked it up, roughly, I should say, not technically, a pound is about 80 grapes if you don't have a way to weigh them, but I just measured them in the dish I'm gonna use. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer, channel of quick, easy weeknight meals and easy desserts and just easy recipes for people who don't like to cook, don't want to cook, don't have time. I'm going to use grape nuts. You can use any kind of nuts. This is traditionally served with coconut on top. You can definitely toast it for extra flavor. You need brown sugar. That's the last of the brown sugar. And those that know me, welcome back. And a neat trick, you want to definitely buy your brown sugar and double bag it and put it in the freezer, and it's always soft, because if you tie it and keep it in the box, it will be hard at some point and it'll be hard to use. You need 1/8 ounce package of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, you need 8 ounces of sour cream, and you need 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Now, since I'm only using half of the recipe, I'm still gonna go ahead and use the whole recipe for the cream cheese filling, which turns into like a cheesecake base. So your cream cheese has to be at room temperature. So I got everything all set up. Let's get cooked. Okay guys, I apologize. You have to have a mixer. I'm so sorry I didn't put that out. So I have my cream cheese here, that's 8 ounces. And like I said, this recipe is made for 4 pounds of grapes. And I'm technically only using 2. So I'm not even using a full 8 ounces of cream cheese. This is like half, maybe 4 ounces. I'm sorry, of sour cream to go on this, but technically it's 1 package, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and then a full 8 ounce container of sour cream. And then you want to mix this together till it's smooth. That's why you need a mixer. Gonna scrape down the sides. Pure vanilla. They say technically 1 teaspoon is a capful if you don't want to measure it. Okay, you want to make sure that's nice and creamy. And what I'm going to do, because I'm not going to mix it in the serving dish. This is best refrigerated for at least 2 hours. And then you add the topping. And I'll show you guys how to make the topping in a little bit. But I'm going to try and get these grapes in here without losing them, because I'm not using the full, whoop, there goes one, and right onto the floor. I'm not using the full 4 pound recipe. So what I'm gonna do is scoop a good portion of this in here. I guess technically it should be half, since I'm using half of the recipe, and mix this together. And you want this very well mixed. And this is really quick, easy dessert. They'll love you at a potluck or a cookout. Summer's coming to an end here in the Midwest in the next 8 weeks. And this is a nice, cool, refreshing dessert to make. And as you see, it comes together in less than 5 minutes, minus the chill time. So you just want to make sure this is really mixed really well and all the grapes are really coated. And like I said, you can use nuts, pecans, or pecans, however you pronounce them, wherever you live. Most people put coconut on top of this. Because I'm gonna mix grape nuts with the brown sugar and sprinkle that on top, and you put that on top just before serving. So I won't be putting that on top till tomorrow, but I'm making this tonight. It is 12:41 a.m. in the morning here in Michigan. You guys that know me, welcome back. You know, I upload 2 videos a week and I always include inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. And I just like really quick, easy stuff to make. And that looks like that's pretty good. I'm gonna use a little bit more. What's left, I'm gonna use in another recipe that I'm not gonna film, but something that I'm gonna eat myself with the rest of this delicious is basically a cream cheese frosting. So these are all coated really nicely. So I'm gonna take my dish and spoon this back in here. Turn it so you can see. Get this all spread out. I'm gonna cover it with some cling wrap or saran wrap, whatever you guys call it in your neck of the woods, and let this go in the refrigerator overnight because we're not gonna eat it until tomorrow. And then I'm gonna put the crunchy topping on top just before serving. And then after you serve it, whatever's left, you wanna store this in an airtight container, and it'll keep for 4 days in the refrigerator. So let me get this in the refrigerator and I'll come back and show you guys how to finish this up. Okay, this is the recipe for the topping. Now remember, I made half of the recipe. So you need it says heaping cup of grape nuts. I'm only using a half. And you need 2/3 cup of brown sugar, and I'm only using 1/3. Now if you don't want to take nuts to the gathering, or if people who can't do nuts, I would substitute it with some graham cracker crumbs. That's what I have. I don't like graham crackers, but I wouldn't buy the crumbs. I would buy a box of the sugar and cinnamon graham crackers and roughly crunch them up with my hands. And it also asks for 1 cup of shredded coconut with the original recipe for 4 pounds of grapes. So if you want to up it a notch, you can go ahead and toast the coconut, which would really make it delicious. So let me show you how to make the topping. So I'm taking my 1/2 cup of grape nuts and my 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar and mixing that together. And you want to put this on just before serving. And like I said, after you serve this, if there's anything left, you want to store this in the airtight container and it will stay for 4 days in the refrigerator. I think it's a delicious summer snack. You can also do it in the winter. It may be hard to get really tasty grapes, but this is so delicious, even if the grapes are bad. That's another key thing about this recipe. If the grapes aren't that great, go ahead and make this grape salad. Now here it is. Took it out of the refrigerator, and as I said, I wrapped it in cling wrap. And then you just want to cover this in the grape nut and brown sugar mixture. And it's at a heaping, so yeah, you don't want to be stingy with this. This gives you your texture. And like I said, if you love coconut, I do like coconut, but only in German chocolate cake and an almond joy bar. Other than that, or in carrot cake. Other than that, if they put coconut in it, I'm not a big coconut fan. And my husband will not touch this with coconut, so that was definitely off limits. So there you have it, creamy, crunchy grape salad dessert. Hope you guys give this recipe a try. Like I said, it's really delicious, and you can make it sweet as you like. I didn't add any. I normally would have added a whole cup of white sugar to the cream cheese mixture, but since this was mixed with brown sugar, that makes it pretty sweet. So let me tell you guys my joke. A doctor at an insane asylum decided to take his patients to a baseball game. For weeks in advance, he coached his patients how to respond to commands. When the day of the game arrived, everything went well. As the national anthem started, the doctor yelled, "Up, nuts!" and the patients complied and stood up. After the anthem, the doctor yelled, "Down, nuts!" and they all sat back down in their seats. After a home run was hit, the doctor yelled, "Cheer, nuts!" and they all broke out in applause and cheered. When the umpire made a particularly bad call against the star of the home team, the doctor yelled, "Boo, nuts," and they all started booing and catcalling. Comfortable with their response, the doctor decided to go get a beer and a hot dog and left his assistant in charge. When he returned, there was a riot in progress. Finding his missing assistant, the doctor asked, "What in the world happened?" The assistant replied, "Well, everything was going fine just until this guy walked by and yelled, 'Peanuts, peanuts.'" Wow, that's sick. Well, anyway, God bless you all. Please hit the like, subscribe button, and please comment. I want to thank you all for watching, and God bless you and all your families for your time. Have a good evening.